Hello there, long time no see. I'm gonna try and record videos again of my progress with some of the game projects I'm working on. And today for you, I've got this dating sim I've been working on. Um, I haven't played very many dating sims, so I'm not quite used to all the features that are in them. But I'm trying my best, and I thought it would be a fun project to work on. And so I've got this little project I've been working on, and I think I'm at a point where I can show you the progress I've made. Um, so a lot of the stuff involved in this uh, game has to do with the Unity UI, or at least that's how I'm doing it. And I've also got a tweening library for nice animations and stuff. So why don't we hop in and check it out? I hope the sound isn't too loud, but let's see. I'll just turn down this volume a little bit. Oh, oh, it's because I'm not in the window. I'll just turn it down a lot. There we go. So here's the title screen. I think it's pretty cute. I've got this scrolling texture in the background and this little art of my little fursona and Brooks fursona. Let's just hop into it. So, got the usual text box stuff going. The nameplate's working. Got a bunch of simple animations right now. I'm a little confused on how to properly set up the animation system so that it's easy to set them in the inspector. And we've got this options menu. And I'll show you how this works in the behind the scenes afterwards. So let's ask for a coffee. And you can click to skip to the end of the text. Right now the text kind of moves a little slowly. I need to speed it up a bit. There's an auto click feature, which kind of automatically cycles through the text, so you don't need to click anything. And it's on a timer. Let's just turn that off for now. And another thing is in most dating sims, when you right click, brings up the menu. And I've just added this feature, the history feature, and it gives us all the dialogue that we've been going through. Still working on this feature. I'm not sure if dating sims have this feature, but I kind of wanted a timeline that shows you all the different choices you've made, kind of like a branching tree graph. Saving, not fully functional yet, neither is loading. Settings, tooltips. I should show you the tooltips. I like this feature. Let me just pause real quick. And I used to have a button to turn it on and off, but I'm gonna move it to the settings menu, so it's not working right now. How do I change this? I think it's a private variable. Dang it. Oh, maybe I can enable it, the button for it. Where are you at? Oh, did I delete the button for it? Oh no, it should be in here. Time or toggle tooltips. So I need to pause here and then enable it. And then unpause. There we go. And so when you hover over different things, it'll tell you what they are. And I think that's kind of cool. And so we've collapsed on the floor and go to the ICU. One problem is, I think in the animation, I make the sprite invisible, and the tooltip will still tell you that they're there. Music change and the scene change. I still need to smoothly do scene transitions as well. And right now the end of the chain will lead you back to the menu. So let's take a look at what's going on behind the scenes. So, I mean, I tried to use the Unity graph editor before, but it's really new and all the code is so out of my league. So I've just been using game objects, and then I have like a line drawing between the connections. But yeah, each of these just has like their own ID, and this is for saving and loading your location in the game. And this dialogue sequence is just a list of all the pieces of dialogue, and each one contains like the speaker's name, the text speed. Reset text, I think I'm removing that later. Sound and soundtrack, if these are empty, then nothing happens, but if there's something in there, then they get, or at least for the soundtrack, it'll get replaced with a new soundtrack. The sound just plays the sound. And then all the animations happen down here. So this one is just fading in from the right, and then you just choose the game object that you want to fade in from the right. Not sure if that's the best way to go about it, but it's alright for now. I just have a script that has like all kinds of different animations that I've coded, and you just pass in the game object and it'll animate it like that. Curve sharpness is just for the lines. Yeah, so and then there's these dialogue options, and then you just type in what you want the button to say. And then depending on what one you click will go to the different paths. So we chose a coffee, and it went to this one. This one has the different options if you want to go on the date with Davey or not. And we did the third option. And then we're in the hospital, and he asks again, and we said, sure, why not? And is that this one? Yep. So we ended up down here. And with the timeline menu option, I want it to kind of look a little bit like this, where I guess like, yeah, it would just have like the second options here and here. I don't know how I'm going to automatically space these, but and then I guess all the third options would be in this row. I don't know. But that's just my thoughts on it. And I've kind of got like a little bit of a story planned. I like to do really wacky and trippy and silly things. So the story, like if I make my own dating sim with this, the story that I create probably won't be too serious. I hope I didn't miss anything. But yeah, that's what I've been working on with this. And I hope you think it's cool. And I'm going to keep working on it, and I might post another video down the line showing more progress. And yeah, so take care. I'll see you later.